back to Monero Pura. In today's video, I have a few things that I need to do. I have to package a gift for one of our friends who recently bought a home. I wanted to give them a housewarming gift. So I went shopping today to buy them a few gifts. So I'm going to package that gift on camera. I'll show you guys what I bought. At the same time, I'm also going to give them a candle from our range. So I'll be giving them the unwind candle. Currently it has like a little protective layer in here, and this one on top as well. So I'm going to package this candle, put it in this box, add a label, and then I'm also going to give that to them from Monero Pura, from our company, so that they can sample our candle as well. So I purchased a few different things for their home. So I'll show you guys what I purchased, and I will put it in this bag and then set it to the side and to give to them when we see them at our Christian meeting on Thursday. And then I have to cut some soaps that I made 2 or 3 days ago. I made 4 different soaps using fresh fruits. I'm going to be cutting those soap. I will also show you guys the videos of me making those soaps, so stay tuned. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Follow us on all our social media, so when those videos are uploaded or clips are uploaded on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, etc., you guys will see them. I also have some orders that I need to package, but I'm not sure if I'm going to do on camera. I will see. I had an order coming for my turmeric soap, and I think I want to say it's a body oil, but it could be an Ayurveda hair oil, so I'm not sure. So let me just show you guys first what I'm doing. So first I'm going to be packaging this candle for them. So this candle is called Unwind, an amazing candle. So it has the notes of apple, jasmine, and cedarwood. Smells so good, and the burn time for this candle is 50 hours. So that's the burn time for this candle. So yeah, so I'm going to place this candle in this box right here, just like that. Okay, I'm gonna cover that up, and then I'm going to use one of our black labels to seal this up. So I was thinking, should I seal or put it on top? I think it's better. Oh, already clicked. It's better sealed. I'm gonna do that. Maybe it's too low. So you have the Monero Pura there, and I'm gonna just seal that back, and that is how it looks. I think this packaging is gorgeous, guys. Don't you think? I love, and I hope they like it too. So that is an order from us, Monero Pura. And I got them this, I think it's a salt spice mix. And I think this is super cute. They can leave it in their kitchen as a decor. I also got them this soap wash and hand lotion, and this is the honey and almond scent. I got them something that they can eat, which is a milk chocolate salted caramel biscuit, and I also bought them a a tea towel for their kitchen. So in a sense, I got them something for their kitchen, bathroom, kitchen, bedroom, or living room, whichever. Definitely keep eating in the living room or bedroom. Yeah, so I'm going to place them all in this bag right here. So I'm just going to place that to the side. I'm going to place that on top. Place that in there, just like that. And then the candle to the side. And this on top. So that's how the gift is looking. I'm going to show you guys how it looks standing up. like on the inside. Let's see if you guys can see that. That's what it looks like on the inside.